Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up 4 packages, but 2 packages are from the same person from out of Massachusetts. Then we got one from Arkansas, and we got one from Kentucky. So I cannot wait to see what they sent. But I also want to take this time out to wish Mr. Brady Landis a happy birthday. Today's his birthday. He's 11 years old today, from Missouri. They're supposed to be coming to the Ellaville Knife Show. I can't wait to meet them firsthand. So happy birthday, Brady. I appreciate your support, buddy. Thank y'all so much. Well, guys, let's get into these packages. I'm so glad that each and every one of y'all are here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first 2 packages come from the same person out of Massachusetts, Mr. Larry O'Brien. We're going to see what he sent. They feel like books. I can't wait to see them. Hey, Kevin, the Knife Doctor. Here is another book. Hope you enjoy it. Keep up the good work. I love watching the videos. Larry O'Brien. Well, Mr. Larry O'Brien from Massachusetts, thank you so much. It's not just one book, y'all. It's 3 books. And look what this one is. I cannot wait to look at it. It is the Vietnam Zippo, 1933 to 1975. I cannot wait to look at this stuff, man. And look here. The next 2 books are about knives. Not only knives, but look here. Randall knives. Rare, unique, and experimental. Robert E. Hunt. Ain't that awesome? So cool, buddy, of you to do that. Appreciate this so much, man. Check that one out. Randall military models. Fighters, buoys, and 4 tang knives by Robert E. Hunt. How about that? Do or die. Look at that one. We just saw one like that Mr. D.I. Dave had. It was similar to it. Look at that. Ain't that cool? That's a boot knife, like Mr. World Famous bought, similar to it. This one's older, but I didn't even know they made them boot knives until he brought one the other day. Look at that one, man. Eric's gonna love to look at this book. That is so cool, Mr. Larry. Thank you so much, man. Mr. Larry sent those books all the way from Somerville, Massachusetts, right outside of Boston. 1,278 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Larry, buddy, thank you so much for the books. I love them, buddy. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from David Taylor from Corning, Arkansas. Hey, Doc, I found this at a flea market in Arkansas a few weeks ago. I think it's a coffin badge for a Marine casket. Kind of morbid, but thought you could find someone to give it to or keep it for yourself. Thank you for your service. I watch your show every day and have learned a lot from you. Thank you, David Taylor. Well, buddy, I'm going to look at that. Cannot wait to see what this is. Whoa. I don't know, would that be a Marine hand-painted knife symbols? It could be, but we'll find some use for it here in the museum. It's beautiful. The color is really rich. I like it. I sure do. Maybe take the screws out and we could just put it down on the table here. How about that? It's got them right there. I have to get my screwdriver and get that out. See, she'll sit down on the thing now, right? But Mr. David, buddy, thank you for this. I appreciate you thinking of me, man. I love it. I love it so much. Mr. David sent that United States Marine Corps paperweight all the way from Corning, Arkansas, 537 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. David, buddy, thank you so much for the support of the channel. Thank you so much for sending that and thinking of me, buddy. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from Michael Broughton from Crab Orchard, Kentucky. How about that? Hey, Doc. My name is Michael Broughton, and I'm from Berea, Kentucky. My YouTube channel is Red Eyed Patriot. I know who you are, man. That's so cool. I'm up to almost 3,300 subscribers now. That is awesome. My channel is multi-genre, from drag racing, flint knapping, airheads, old hot rods, and hunting creeks and fields for Native American relics. Your channel has inspired me to renew my love for old pocket knives. Very cool, buddy. I've been buying and trading for a lot of knives lately. My parents ran a family care home for disabled veterans for 36 years. That is so awesome. My pawpaw fought in the Aleutian Islands against Japan in 43 and 44, then Rhineland in Central Europe, January 45 to the end of the war. His 355th Infantry, 89th Division, liberated Ohrdruf concentration camp in April 1945. In the box is a Winger Century Serrated. Wow, thank you. 2 Zippos, my Pawpaw's division patch, the rolling W's, and a pouch with a tiny knife for the lady who collects tiny knives. That's Miss Peggy. That's Wade's sister. It's for her, but show on video. Thanks for your service and happy birthday. Michael Broughton, Red Eyed Patriot. Well, buddy, thank you so much. And P.S. pouch and tiny Bowie knife made by friend Kevin, who's fighting cancer. But buddy, that's a hard fight, buddy. Thank you for sharing that. I'll say a prayer for him. Sure will. But thank you for all this stuff, buddy. And I'll have to check out your YouTube channel. I might be subscribed already, but I'll make sure that I am, buddy. Thank you so much for that. Look at here. Ooh, look at that pouch, man. Golly. Ain't that cool? This is Miss Peggy's gonna love this, man. Holy moly. Wade, I don't know if Wade gonna let her have that. Check that out. Buddy, this is so awesome. Miss Peggy's gonna love that, man. Check that out. Man, that is so cool. She is gonna love this. Wade is gonna love this. He likes the Indian mountain man stuff. He is gonna love this. He really is. This pouch is absolutely gorgeous, and the way this thing just fits. That copper little stud there to hold that down. He's gonna love it, I'm telling you. And he's gonna want to wear this. I know he is. I'm blown away by this, man. It's beautiful, beautiful work. And I love how you napped this little airhead here to hold the pouch down. How will hold the pouch closed. Ain't that so cool? Love it, buddy. That's the rolling W patch. That's so cool. That's going to go on my wall of fame, buddy. Thank you for that. Whoa. Gosh almighty knows. Man, I love that right there, dude. Man, that is awesome. I love the camo on that. Lock blade. I've never seen that before. Beautiful. That is so awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. Wow, I might have to carry this thing. And look here, Zippos. Check that out. Operation Iraqi Freedom. I do not have one like this, buddy. That is a 2006 G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's July. I love that, man. What is this one? It's solid, brand spanking new. Again, that is November of 2018. Very, very nice. So there, November of 2018. Love it, man. Very, very cool, buddy. Thank you for these Zippos. Thank you for the knife, buddy. And Wade and Miss Peggy is going to absolutely love that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Thank you, Mr. Red-Eyed Patriot. Y'all go check his YouTube channel. Here it is right here. Thank you so much, Mr. Michael Broughton. I'd like to thank Mr. Michael Broughton from Berea, Kentucky, better known as Red-Eyed Patriot, 441 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Michael, buddy, thank you so much for all these gifts. Thank you so much for the gift from Miss Peggy. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Larry for sending me those books from Massachusetts. Thank you so much, buddy. Beautiful, beautiful books. Can't wait to look at them. I want to thank Mr. David for sending me that paperweight. Don't want to say the other thing, the casket. It's a paperweight. I'm going to be using that around here in the shop just to put on desks and stuff. So thank you so much for that, buddy. Appreciate you thinking of me. And I want to thank Mr. Michael Broughton from Kentucky for sending me that knife and them Zippos and your grandpa's patch. I'll cherish that forever. Thank you so much. And thank you for the gift from Miss Peggy. She is absolutely going to love that. The leather work with the Native American theme on it, and the necklace with the little knife on it, the leather necklace with a little knife on it. Thank you so much. Wade is absolutely going to love it too. He's going to want to keep it. I know he is, but he'll give it to her, but he'll tease her. But it's absolutely beautiful, and thank you for that, buddy. But also, guys, I want to say that I've got a lot of packages to open, so I'll be probably opening quite a few of them in the next few days, inquiring, also doing like a tip repair and cleaning up some knives, incorporating that into the video. I'm kind of pushed for time over the next few days. I got to go knife hunting with Mr. Glenn. My wife is going to go, and his wife is going to go. We don't know where we're going to go yet, but that's going to take all day on Saturday. We're going to try to get another video out today for tomorrow. And also on Tuesday of next week, I've got a subscriber coming over here. Him and his wife. It's her birthday, and I can't wait to meet her. I met Mr. Lance Tyler, but I've never met his wife. It's her birthday next Tuesday, so we're gonna go out to lunch, and we're gonna they want to see the museum here, so cannot wait for that. Just a lot going on, guys, and I need to try to catch up on the packages before I leave for 2 or 3 days, going to Mississippi next Thursday. The knife show out in Wiggins. If y'all come down there, I'll be glad to meet y'all. I cannot wait to get out there and talk to folks. I'm going to be buying a special knife out there from Mr. Billy Ray Bond, Preacher they call him, from Deep South Cutlery. That's who's putting the knife show on. But hope to see y'all there. Can't wait. Can't wait. And Mr. Bear Snipes, Mr. Sniper's going to be going too, so it's going to be very cool. But guys, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here today. I just want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.
Thumbs up to the Knife Doctor for a wonderful barbecue, and we've had a very wonderful guest here today, Mr. Dave, and with a word of respect, my hat's off to him.
It plays on my mind, out in the wild, looking for what time left behind. From a pawn shop shelf to a flea market tray, I'm hungry old knives that lost their way. Then I might shoe ignite my sweet cha-cha day. I'm the night doctor, baby. I'll bring 'em back alive.